Hi all, welcome to my channel Learn Tamil through English. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற லெசன் வந்துட்டு தமிழ் கும்மி. So today our lesson is Tamil Kummi. This is a poem, basically a poem written by Perenjithiranar. This is class 6 second lesson. Okay, so Tamil Kummi. What is Tamil Kummi? Here you can see Tamil Kummi. What is Tamil Kummi? Kummi is basically a folk dance which is very popular in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It is generally danced by forming a circle. All the girls, generally girls will dance. Boys will not be a part of this Kummi. Girls will do. Girls they will form a circle and they will sing and dance. And it is like basically like clapping her hands and then singing. This is what called as kummi. It is nothing but a very simple rhythmic clapping or beating. Even sometimes it's beating of the drums is also called as that. So it's generally a rhythmic clapping of sounds. Okay. Generally it is done to imitate various harvesting activities. This kummi dance is often accompanied by the kummi songs. The lyrics will be their own. They will form the lyrics and then they will sing and then they will dance accordingly. Generally it is often danced during the festival times. It is very popular. It has become very popular in the modern times too. It is generally sung in villages. So generally one village woman will start singing the song while others join the singing, and then they will join for dancing also, like clapping, and then they will sing and then they will clap and they will move accordingly in the same circle. Okay. Generally if men join, they will form an outer circle and then they will sing, but maximum you can see only girls will do this kummi dance. It is a very famous folk dance and generally happens in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So let's move on to this lesson. This poem is sung by Perenjithiranar. He is also one of the famous Tamil poet. So Kottangadi kummi kottangadi ilam kodayare kummi kottangadi. So kummi, as I told you, it's a traditional dance, folk dance. Ilam kodayar. Ilam means young. In Tamil we say ilam, ilamai, that is young. Kodayare is pengal, that is girls, ladies. So he is calling all the girls to sing and dance. Nilam ettu திசையிலும் செந்தமிழின் புகழ் எட்டிடவே கும்மி கொட்டுங்கடி. So we know the directions are 8, right? South, east, north and west, and southeast, southwest, northeast, northwest. So there are totally 8 directions. So he is saying Nilam means the land. So in all the 8 directions, the pugal means popularity. The popularity of Tamil language should spread. So they should sing in a way that the popularity of Tamil language should spread in all the 8 directions. It means everywhere. So this is the first paragraph. Second paragraph, ஊழி பலநூறு கண்டதுவாம் அறிவு ஊற்றெனும் நூல் பல கொண்டதுவாம். ஊழி means long time. Basically it's like for a long time. That is pala nooru. Nooru means 100. So the language is known for hundreds and hundreds of years. So ஊழி பலநூறு கண்டதுவாம் அறிவு. Arivu means the knowledge. Here the poet means the Tamil language. The Tamil language is known for hundreds and hundreds of years. ஊற்றெனும் நூல் பல கொண்டதுவாம். It means to improve your knowledge, the language has so many books. Nool means books here. So we have so many different books in Tamil language just to improve your knowledge. பெரும் ஆழி பெருக்கிற்கும் காலத்திற்கும் முற்றும் அழியாமலே நிலை நின்றதுவாம். ஆழிப்பெருக்கு means here the natural disaster, like can be tsunami or can be any disaster. So the Tamil books haven't been destroyed, though there were many natural disasters, so it could withstand for long years, so that it can help us to improve our knowledge. Aliyamle means not destroyed. So that is what he's saying. All the Tamil books, not all, maximum, most of the Tamil books were like undestroyed. They still remain, so that we can just refer and we can learn, we can get the knowledge. பொய் அகற்றும் உள்ள பூட்டருக்கும் அன்பு பூண்டவரின் இன்ப பாட்டிருக்கும். Poi means here lying, but the exact meaning here is like poi agatru means it removes your negativity, it removes your negative impacts, negative thoughts, everything. So totally it removes your negativity. Ulla pootarukkum, again ulla pootu means, ullam means your heart. So whatever the darkness you have in your inside, it will also be removed. அன்பு பூண்டவரின் இன்ப பாட்டிருக்கும். So those who are so kind, for them it's a very sweet language. For those who are very nice to others, they love the language, because the language contains many books, many poems, many messages, which is loved by the people who are really nice to others, because the messages are like whatever they like, it teaches you how to be nice to others, it teaches you how to be kind to others, all this. So people who are already like that, they will love the stories, they will love the poems written by Tamil poets, or whatever is written in the Tamil books, they will definitely love it. That is what they are saying. அன்பு பூண்டவரின் இன்ப பாட்டிருக்கும். உயிர் மெய் புகட்டும் அறமேன்மை கிட்டும் இந்த மேதினி வாழ்வழி காட்டிருக்கும். So here மெய், it is opposite to the word பொய். பொய், மெய், these are opposites. As I told you, பொய் means lie, மெய் is just the opposite, that is truth. So the language will teach you the truth in your life, how to be true to others, how to be loyal to others, or how to be the nicest person, everything, all the truth in your life. So the language teaches you the truth in your life. Ara mainmai kittum means, mainmai means reaching to a certain level, reaching to a higher level. So you'll definitely reach to a higher level when you read the books, when you follow whatever is mentioned in the books, you will definitely reach a very good higher level. That is what mainmai kittum means, reaching a very good level in your life. இந்த மேதினி வாழ் வழிகாட்டிருக்கும். Medini is nothing but the world. This is a pure Tamil word for world. We can even say ulagam in Tamil, but Medini is another word which means world. So the people who lives in the world, they know how to live after reading all the Tamil language books, poems, everything. So all the matter in all this poem or all the books, it teaches you how to live your life properly, how to live your life in a better way. So this is what the poet Peranjithranaar is saying here. So next we will see what is the exercises given in the book backside. So the first one, choose the best answer. தமிழ் மொழியில் படித்தால் டேஷ் அடையலாம். So when you read in your it is தாய்மொழியில், that is when you read in your mother tongue, what will happen? It means மேன்மை அடையலாம். மேன்மை means like you will improve. That is what is given here. தகவல் தொடர்பு முன்னேற்றத்தில் டேஷ் சுருங்கிவிட்டது. It means communication. Because of communication, what happened? மேதினி சுருங்கிவிட்டது. மேதினி, again I told you, it is world. So the world is now it's very short, right? We can easily connect to people even though they are in a faraway distance, right? That is what they are saying. Because of communication, now the distance is very short. We can talk to everyone, we can just reach out to everyone, whoever, irrespective of the distance they are. Sendamil, you have to just separate this word. Semmai plus Tamil. You should always see this when you have this in the Send Tamil, then it will always be Semmai. Semmai plus Tamil. Poi agatrum, poi plus agatrum. This E plus A becomes Ya. This is how you have to see. E plus A. E plus A becomes Ya. பாட்டு plus இருக்கும். So 2 plus E becomes T. You can see the rhyming sound here, E, T. Both the ending sound is E. 2 plus E becomes T. பாட்டு இருக்கும். 8 plus திசை. So here you will have 8 திசை. It. You will have it. 8 திசை. Then you have question answers, everything. Now you can see about the poet. He is a poet, Perenchittiranar. His real name is Manikam. That is what here given here, Manikam. His special name is Pavalareru. Is called as Pavalareru Manikam. Okay, then Kanicharu, Koyyakani, Paviyakottu, Noorasriyam. All these are other books that he has written. Tenmozhi, Tamilchittu, Tamilnilam. These are the magazines that he has owned. Tani Tamizhayum, Tamilunarvayum, Parappiya Pavalarevar. It means he is very, very fascinated towards the language Tamil. So all his books are about the speciality of Tamil language. And this poem, whatever we saw now, Kummiyadi, it is a part of Kanicharu book. இன்னும் 8 தொகுதிகளாக வெளிவந்துள்ளது. It has 8 parts. This Kanicharu book has 8 parts, and all the 8 parts of Kanicharu, it contains the speciality of Tamil language. Tamil Unarvu means the special things about Tamil language. Thank you.